Welcome back, biology students. Not going to go through this totally, but as you recall, this is the light-dependent reaction of photosynthesis occurring in the thylakoid compartments. If you look here, just two things that I like to point out is the three products of this reaction would have been oxygen gas, which would have been released into the atmosphere. NADPH, that's going to be used in the reaction that I'm going to talk about next. And ATP is the third product of this reaction that we are going to look at how those two things are going to be used in the Calvin cycle. So we are still inside a plant cell, inside the chloroplast, but for the second reaction, we are going to be in the stroma of the chloroplast, which is inside the chloroplast, but outside the thylakoids. So if we look, our key concept here is examining what the Calvin cycle is. The Calvin cycle uses ATP and NADPH from the light-dependent reactions to produce high-energy sugars. So that is what we are going to get out of this reaction, high-energy sugars. Because the Calvin cycle does not require light, these reactions are also called the light-independent reactions. Here's what's happening. 6 carbon dioxide molecules enter the cycle from the atmosphere to combine with 5 carbon molecules. The result is 12 3-carbon molecules, which are then converted into higher energy forms. The energy for this conversion comes from ATP and high energy electrons from NADPH. So here we have some energy input coming into this step. ATP, NADPH. Look here, we have 12 ATP molecules, we have 12 NADPH molecules, we have 12 3-carbon compounds here. Each one is going to receive an ATP, each one will receive an NADPH. The result is 2 of the 12 3-carbon molecules are removed from the cycle in this next step. So there's our conversion. Now, 2 of them are lost. The other 10 molecules go on to continue in the cycle. So 2 molecules we see come off there. Those 2 molecules are used to produce sugars, lipids, amino acids, and other compounds. The other 10 get reconverted back into the 10 remaining 3-carbon compounds that you see here are going to be converted back to the 6 5-carbon molecules, which are going to be used to begin the cycle again. In order to do that energy conversion, you need to have 6 ATP molecules come in to reshuffle those 10 3-carbon molecules back to the 6 5-carbon molecules. The two sets of photosynthetic reactions work together. The light-independent reaction traps sunlight and energy in chemical form. The light-independent reactions use that chemical energy to produce stable high-energy sugars from carbon dioxide and water.